today we start with the genetic mutation. Earlier we finished the chromosomal mutation, or now we start with the mutation or disorder due to the genetic. So I am writing genetic disorder, and they are inherited as per the Mendelian rule. So they are also called as Mendelian. I am writing Mendelian disorders. And this is the topic of class 12 course. And this Mendelian disorder is inherited. This is the reason why they show or they appear in the pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis. And these disorders are due to the single gene mutation. Mutation change in the genetic material of single gene. So I am writing single gene mutation or abnormality. Now these genetic disorders are of two types: autosomal or due to the defect of the sex chromosome, or sex chromosome also called as allosome. So I am writing allosome. Gene mutation order. So in our course, first I deal with the autosomal genetic disorder. Can I have the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Writing autosomal. And this autosomal genetic disorder is of again recessive type or dominant. When they are present in the homologous chromosome condition. So I am writing when they are present in the homologous chromosome. Today our topic is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. It is a disorder of the RBC, erythrocyte, genetic disorder, erythrocyte. As this basic concept was given by Herrick, Herrick, in Unwriting. According to this scientist, there is disbalance in the erythrocyte due to the deficiency of oxygen. As we move up with a high altitude, oxygen deficiency occurs, or as in the excessive exercise, we consume oxygen, more oxidation occurs. So according to this scientist, that this occurs. But he doesn't give the biological background of the sickle cell anemia. Other scientists gave the biological background or molecular background of the sickle cell anemia, and the name of the scientist Ingram, I-N-R-A-M. He gave the biological concept, molecular concept of sickle cell anemia. In the sickle cell anemia, the normal RBC of human, we are dealing with the human, is bipolar. And here the gene controlling is HBA. Now, when the gene become mutant, HBS, of controlling the RBC becomes Hessian-like sickle cell. And why it become? It is a molecular or biological reason. So I am explaining why this occurs. In the normal RBC, which is controlled by HBA gene, the amino acid, glutamic acid, is present on the beta chain of the protein, or beta chain, on 6th position. Now when it becomes mutant, the mutant gene is recessive, HBS, then glutamic acid is replaced by valine amino acid in beta chain on 6th position. As we know that the all genetic functioning is controlled by triplet code, protein DNA and RNA, and this triplet codon is the nucleotide bases adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. So triplet codon which govern all the genetic synthesis. So triplet codon which deal with glutamic acid is CTC. When the gene become mutant, this T, which is second position, is replaced by A. Now it becomes CAC due to the gene HBS. Now, in the normal condition, CTC transcribe the codon GAG. We know the transcription is the process. This is a cell inside the nucleus. DNA is present, right? DNA copy its message to the messenger RNA. This process is called transcription. Now this messenger RNA moves from the nucleus, go to the cytoplasm for protein synthesis. This is translation. It's transcribed GAG, and this GAG is the codon for glutamic acid. Now when the gene becomes mutant, it adds CAC, and CAC transcribed for codon GUG, and this GUG is coded for valine. That is the reason why in beta chain, when the HBS is present, the glutamic acid is replaced by valine. So the RBC become sickle shape, and this defective RBC is easy to break down, degenerate, and doesn't pass in the thin blood capillaries. So due to this defect, it is called sickle cell anemia or disorders or syndromes. Any question? Further we discuss only afterward. Any question?
No,
One
ma'am.
more point. Sickle cell, the patient suffering from sickle cell anemia is not affected by the malaria parasite. Why? Because this parasite is not able to penetrate those blood vessels, sickle cell RBC. So there is no chance of malaria. This is a biological importance. Any question?
No, ma'am.
Any query? Thank you.